Alright, my dudes. Part 2. Make a video of yourself setting up the lab and explaining what you did and your results. Lab setup. We'll probably try and splice that in. What I did. Well, you see, I filled a tube with water, a specific amount of water. Then I measured rocks. I put rocks into the tube and measured that. Then I got a rock stuck in a tube, making both the tube and the rock useless, although the rock was arguably already useless. I also lost a knitting needle in efforts to extract said rock, and attempted to lubricate the rock with oil. This was unsuccessful. Explaining what I did in my results. My results? Numbers. Lots of them. Little subtraction involved. Theoretically, I have now figured out the volume of said rock. I thought volume was only for liquids. I was incorrect. Am I supposed to like talk through the actual numbers? Like, I can spit out a bunch of numbers, but I don't know if it's gonna mean anything to you. I mean, that's what happened. Okay. Serious face. I received 2 bags of items to be measured. Unknown rock 1 and unknown rock 2. There were 3 rocks in each. So, I withdrew unknown rock 1. I used my miniature scale. I made it have zeros so it measured correctly. Placed rock on the scale, and I recorded that measurement. Then I took aforementioned tube and filled it with water to 100 milliliters. I placed the weighed rock in the tube and measured the new measurement and wrote it down. And then I repeated this process 6 times. Because it was so complicated, I surely could not have remembered how to do it after once. On the 6th try, tragedy struck. My rock was unfortunately too big for the test tube, and the velocity with which it spun down the tube caused it to be stuck in the great gaping chasm. And unfortunately, rescue efforts were unsuccessful. So I shall in fact be needing a replacement rock and probably a test tube. Yeah, I think that's about it. Peace.